Hey guys, in this video we're gonna take a look at probably one of the oldest and most popular data recovery software out there. With more than 25 years of experience and more than 3 million happy customers, Stellar Data Recovery Software is an internationally recognized brand name in the data backup industry. It is a product that is entirely made in India and offers services like data erasing, data recovery, and most importantly, complete data security and privacy not only in India but also in other nations like the United States, UK, France, Germany, and many more. Stellar Data Recovery Software is available on both Windows and Mac, and the software's sophisticated capabilities allow for the retrieval of any file types, including custom ones, which significantly enhances the user's experience. Data can be recovered from a computer's hard drive, external drive, memory card, flash drive, and optical media like CDs and DVDs. In addition, Stellar Data Recovery works on both non-bootable and encrypted drives. RAID and virtual drive recovery are also supported, and the software can repair even corrupted photos and videos. The software is free to download from the Stellar domestic website, or simply you can click on the link in the description of this video and it will send you right there. As previously mentioned, is available for both Windows and Mac, and it comes with 1 GB of free data recovery with standard file recovery tools. If 1 GB of free data recovery is not enough, users can upgrade from free versions to paid subscriptions for 1 year or lifetime on any of the 3 versions: Standard, Professional, or Premium. Paid subscriptions start at $59.99 per year on a standard plan, which includes everything in the free plan like recovers deleted data, photos, videos, email, and so on, plus unlimited data recovery. Those with more advanced needs will benefit from one of the other 2 more advanced Stellar Data Recovery subscriptions like Professional version, which offers everything from the standard version, plus bootable recovery media, DVD recovery, drive monitoring, disk scanning, and disk cloning. Or the Premium version, which offers everything mentioned until now, everything from standard version, plus video and photo repair. Installing Stellar Data Recovery on a Windows device is very simple and takes just a couple of minutes. On the initial user dashboard, you can select what sort of files you would like to retrieve, like photos, videos, documents, and so on. This is useful if you are looking for a specific file or file type. You can also select what drive and location you want to search, further streamlining the process. Meanwhile, there are numerous advanced options that can be tweaked to optimize the performance. For example, you can specify exactly what file type extension you're looking for. New file types can be added if necessary, and safe mode can be activated if you are concerned about security. More advanced tools are available with higher-end plans. Retrieving lost files can be difficult, but Stellar Data Recovery does an amazing job. In less than a minute, it recovered the files which I intentionally deleted, along with others which I've deleted long time ago during earlier uses of this USB. The app supports all known file types, and custom types can be added with the advanced option menu. The sheer number of files can be a little overwhelming at first, but fortunately, they can be sorted by file type, size, and location. A search bar is also available, so if you know what you're searching for, you don't have to check through every folder and every file that it recovered. You can just search what you need and then that's it, making everything way easier if you know what you're searching for. For more complex issues, you can contact the support team, which operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And if for any reason you are unable to recover the data you need, there's a 30-day money-back policy, or you might prefer the help of an expert to recover your data through the Stellar in-lab services and the in-lab coupon which you receive on every purchase. Stellar Data Recovery hosts India's only state-of-the-art Class 100 clean room lab, which facilitates a contamination-free, safe, and secure environment for data recovery. The highly skilled and well-trained technical experts can salvage up to 100% of data, even from broken and corrupt storage media. Overall, Stellar Data Recovery is a great file retrieval tool with powerful advanced options for personal use as well as business. In its simple form, it enables anyone to retrieve lost data from a computer or external storage device. Stellar keeps its reputation as one of the few programs that can quickly restore damaged or corrupted files in any type of situation: unbootable devices, crashed operating systems, common blue screen, and system failure scenarios. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please don't forget to smash that like and subscribe. Cheers!